Hello, my name is Kayla Walker, and this is Positive Psychological Welfare Requirements in Primates Under Human Care. We're going to start off with mental enrichment. To provide primates with positive psychological welfare, enrichment items that encourages the use of their brain to solve and that would occur in their natural environment would be required. One example is creating a makeshift log or item that can hold small bugs, which could encourage a natural behavior of using sticks as tools to retrieve those bugs. Another example would be hiding their food in trees or spreading it in the grass to encourage foraging. These two factors are helping primates use their higher cognitive abilities to solve a task to get their food instead of it being easy for them, and both encourage behaviors that they would exhibit in the wild. So the pictures are showing a chimp using the stick as a tool, and you can tell it's under human care because that's kind of like a makeshift enrichment item for them. And then you have another picture of a gibbon who is foraging through a small kiddie pool, again under human care to encourage those natural behaviors. Then we have social enrichment. Social enrichment is important with primates under human care as they are social animals. They will live in troops up to 20 plus primates and will engage in social activities. One social activity that naturally occurs in the wild and under human care is grooming. Grooming is a communication tool between troop members they use with mates, younger members, and to initiate dominance. Another social enrichment that could provide good welfare is social interaction between primates and their keepers. This could occur with training sessions to keep them mentally engaged and also to stay up on husbandry behaviors. Both of these actions will provide primates with better welfare as grooming is a sign of comfortability within their environment and training helps consistent observation of their external health. The first picture is chimps under human care, relaxing and grooming, which is, like I said, a sign of comfortability. And then the second picture is at the Colgate Zoo, which is showing a training session happening between keepers and the primates, and it shows them asking for husbandry behaviors. That little red circle is a target behavior, which they will target certain parts of their body, so the keepers are able to make sure that they have no external wounds, like on their hands or feet. Open their mouth to see their teeth, make sure they're good. And also they can present their chest to do a stethoscope to make sure their heart and lungs are all properly working. Lastly, we have environmental animal interaction. One factor that can affect primates in zoos that occurs in their everyday environment is visitors. It is called the visitor effect and can have a positive, neutral, or negative effect on primates, depending on how zookeepers handle it. Visitors can be unpredictable visually and auditorily, which can stress the primates out in their enclosures. If stressed out, it could lead to the primates exhibiting stereotypical behaviors like regurgitation. In primates, it could be pacing the same path back and forth, and it could also be doing weird behaviors like being on their head, spinning, tumbling, just weird, unnatural behaviors can occur. Zookeepers can make observations on which animals get stressed out and work with them to desensitize them to the visitors, as well as include enough enrichment aspects in their life for them to disengage with the public and engage in positive items around them. Lastly, zookeepers can also set their enclosure up and design it to increase spots to have their own space away from public. If they ever need to get away because they're too stressed, they have little coves or shade areas, overhang areas that they can just get away from the public as much as possible and have their own space. And then this picture is just a diagram showing that honestly 65% visitors exhibit unpredictable and undesirable behaviors, and only 35% present um, desirable behaviors, which is a huge difference and why we want to help these primates out as much as possible to not have them be stressed out. And then here are my references. Thank you so much.